Welcome to Tidy Habits YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you 10 cleaning hacks using different materials for your appliances. Coffee maker vinegar clean. Run a mixture of equal parts water and vinegar through your coffee maker to remove mineral buildup and keep it fresh. Microwave steam clean. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and lemon slices, then microwave for 5 minutes. Wipe down the interior for easy stain removal. Dishwasher vinegar rinse. Place a cup of vinegar on the top rack of your empty dishwasher and run a hot cycle to eliminate odors and grime. Stainless steel polish. Use a mixture of olive oil and vinegar to clean and shine stainless steel appliances, buffing with a microfiber cloth. Oven cleaning with baking soda. Make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply it to the oven interior. Let it sit overnight. Then wipe away with a damp cloth. Refrigerator deodorizer. Place an open box of baking soda or a bowl of coffee grounds in your fridge to absorb odors. Washing machine maintenance. Run a cycle with hot water and 2 cups of vinegar to clean the drum and remove mildew odors. Air fryer cleanup. Soak the removable parts in warm soapy water for 30 minutes to loosen grease. Then wipe clean with a sponge. Blender clean. Fill the blender halfway with warm water and a drop of dish soap. Then blend for a quick clean. Rinse afterward. Freezer defrost hack. Place a bowl of hot water in the freezer and close the door. The steam will help loosen ice buildup, making defrosting easier. Remember these cleaning tips and tricks that you can use someday. We know you'll love this video. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified on our next video.